Stuart Wallace. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the Forth Ports Group. The port sector in the UK was recognised early on by the government as a key industry in terms of keeping the retail sector going, in terms of food supplies and pharmaceuticals and chemicals, keeping health service going, things that were absolutely critical in those early days of lockdown. If Forth Ports hadn't been here continuing to do what we're doing, then those supply chains would have struggled. The timing of lockdown was almost exactly the same time as we were planning to go live with a new operation at Tilbury2. We've had a long-standing relationship with TCS and we started working with them back in 2003, and since then they've been our primary supplier of all of our software relating to our operational capability across the Forth Ports Group. TCS play a big role in working with our own operations and IT people to make sure that we can deliver those solutions that the customer is looking for. The depth of the relationship that we had with TCS, the fact that they were able to roll out their new software tools to allow much more remote working, was a key aspect of how we approached the go live at Tilbury2. And what we ended up having was complete visibility of all of our operations, all of our equipment, to all of the TCS resources, able to provide us with that 24-hour, 7 days a week support that was needed when we went live. The technology that we've rolled out at Tilbury2 was building on the software releases that we'd done in our two other container operations, making sure that we had alignment in the software releases across the various aspects of our business. We've seen a huge step forward in the level of information, the level of data, of automation that's been able to be brought into the operation at Tilbury2, and the introduction of that software has put us in good stead. The global pandemic and the disruption that's been caused in supply chains and the movement of equipment around the globe meant that there have been some capacity challenges and some operational challenges across the UK. But what we've actually been able to do, given that we've got the new capacity on stream in Tilbury2, is to work with our customers to ensure that we minimise that disruption. In terms of the immediate challenges of Brexit, what we've done is work very closely with our customers to understand their commodity flows, their logistics flows. So in conjunction with TCS and the community providers, we've developed systems and data interface points that will allow us to exchange the relevant information. We were the first port company to develop a vehicle booking system app with complete visibility as to whether a container is cleared or not for collection or drop-off. We'll continue to use that kind of technology to make sure that the operation at the port for the haulier is as smooth as possible to make sure that the goods continue to flow.